Remember, we have a workbook here, new workbook, then a worksheet. Then create new worksheet. Create the new worksheet. So here, to open a new worksheet, okay, to open a new worksheet, we use, okay, we set Excel worksheet equals to, okay, Excel workbook dot sheet brackets, okay, what sheet? The sheet 1. Okay, here it is sheets, okay, worksheets. Okay, then we are going to export column titles to Excel. Okay, export column title to Excel. Including we're excluding the first. Remember the first column. The first column is the item code, so it is the auto number. It's our primary key, so it's auto generated number, so we don't export that column. So here we will use the for statement. Okay, for I, remember I equals to 1. Okay, to what? To arise what dot alias dot fields, then dot count -1. Okay, then we put those the worksheet. Okay, Excel worksheet dot series brackets 1, I brackets dot a value, okay, equals to rs dot fields, okay, what field? I brackets dot name. Okay, so we will repeat this one to put these properties. So here we are putting properties of that column, okay, of that column. So we pitch Excel worksheets dot cells brackets 1, I brackets, then a dot. Here we put font, or we calculate the font. Want the font dot bold, want the font to be bold, equals to what? Equals to true. Okay, worksheets. Okay, then we want to calibrate also the color of the workbook. Okay, worksheet. Okay, worksheet. So Excel worksheet dot series brackets 1, I, then a bracket, then a dot interior dot color. Okay, here it's capital C dot color equals to, we use RGB color brackets, we put this color. Okay, you can choose your favorite color, but I'll choose this one, color 0. Okay, then here what this here, then next I, then we need the response here. So we need the response here. Okay, we need the response here. So Response, remember our response there, we have declared the response equals to, we use message box brackets, then I put are you sure, oh no, not are you sure, are you exporting, are you exporting with data? This is the question. Okay, comma, we put VBS now. Then the title will be choose option. Okay, then we put brackets here. Then we come here, if response equals to VBS, okay, VBS, then response VBS, then okay, we export the data to Excel, including the first column, okay, excluding, not the including. Okay, here if it is yes here, okay, remember this, if it is yes here, export the data to Excel, excluding the first column. Okay, now here we start moving to the series. Okay, so here we use rs.move first. Okay, then we put j, remember j equals to 2. We start from the second row. Okay, this is start from the second row. Okay, then we do until the end of that file. Okay, until rs dot end of file. Okay, then you use for statement for what? For I, when I is equal to 1. Okay, when I is equal to 1, 2 is dot fields dot count minus 1. Then we put those Excel worksheet series brackets. Remember j, we put here j, comma I, brackets, then dot value, remember that value equals to rs dot, we'll put here the rs dot value. So remember here we have value here, value, okay, equals to rs dot fields. Okay, dot fields, then what fields? It's I. Okay, I dot what? Dot value. Okay, then Excel worksheet dot series, okay, brackets j, comma I, brackets dot, remember font bold equals to false. Then what? Then Excel, we do Excel worksheet dot series brackets j, comma I, brackets dot interior design. Okay, interior dot color, okay, equals to, remember our RGB color, it was, so we calculate 0. This is another color. Okay, 191, comma 255 brackets, then okay, then we next I, No, not next. Next I, then j, okay, equals to j plus, not j plus 1. So this one allow the app to move to the next, this allow the app to move to the next row. Okay, then you use rs dot move what, move last, move next, then we loop and if here. So now you see we have now moved to the next row by exporting those datas. Okay, you see here. So now I am going to close the record sets. Okay, here we are going to close the record set. Okay, we're going to end the database connection. So here we put rs dot close not chrome, close. Then we set rs equals to nothing. Then we set db equal also to nothing. Okay, then after that, then we save our file. The Excel file. Where to save the Excel file? So we choose the default location for our file to be saved. So we save our file to the downloads. Okay, so let us go. So here now we are going to save our file. So save the Excel file. Where to save the Excel file? The Excel file. Okay, Excel file. Here we use this variable str name. Str name equals to, we put our Excel name here. We put xcc underscore format. May put small letter here, underscore format for upload. Okay, this is our name. Okay, the str name. Then we are going to use the str, the variable for our path. Okay, str, okay, Excel, okay, Excel file path. Okay, we use this variable equals to, we are using the default environment environments. When you want to use the default environment for your computer, so you use this, and they put this this sign $, then you put the brackets here. So we put that inside the expression. So what do you use? We are using the user profile. So user profiles. Okay, user profiles, where we can find the downloads. Okay, in the user profile, put the brackets here. Then we concatenate to this one here, to our downloads. Okay, we put the backslash, remember backslash in our file. To locate the files into our computer, use backslash. Okay, backslash downloads, remember downloads. Okay, then we put backslash. Okay, we use this ASCSD. This is, remember, this ASD is the custom name. So I calibrate from my own report. Then I concatenate with this underscore. So I put here underscore. Then I concatenate this underscore and concatenate with our variable str name. Okay, so this is the specific path for the this is specific pass for the Excel file. Okay, I think you see here. Let me do this. So then here we are going to Excel workbook. We save. What do we save the Excel book as? What? So we are going to save here workbook dot what save as we save what str Excel file path. Here we go. So now we have saved our file. Now we are going to close this file. We're going to close the Excel workbook. So we are close Excel workbook. Okay, so here it's Excel workbook dot close. Then okay, we quit the Excel application, remember. So here we are going to quit the Excel application app. So here Excel app, remember, Excel app dot quit. Quit. Okay, so now we are going to release the objects. Okay, we release the object. Release the objects. Here now we are going to, so we set Excel worksheet equals to this worksheet equals to nothing. Okay, we are going to set also the Excel workbook equals to nothing. Okay, we're going to set the Excel app equals to nothing. Okay, also we are going to put the message here, message box. Okay, put the message here so that exported successful. Okay, then VB info information, then our title will be data saved. What is saved? Okay, this is our end of our function for exports. Remember, we declared some variables here. We declare some variables. So let me recap this one. Then we initialize the Excel app. Like this one you see here. Then we create a new workbook like this one, Excel workbook. This one. Then we define the name of the access table to export data from. Then you define the name. Then we're connecting the database. After that, we open the record set. Remember, we open the record set SQL is going to select it from everything in this table, access table name. Then STR. Remember the access table name is this one. Okay. Remember concatenation here. We use concatenation. Then here we set is equal to DB then we create a new worksheet, then we export column title to Excel, but we excluding the first column. Okay, then we we export the data to Excel excluding the first column. Then we move to the next record, then we close the record set, then we save the file, then we close the Excel workbook, we quit the Excel app, then we release that objects. So this is the function for export access to Excel. So let us see you in the next episode. So we are going to go to write another function for the import to the Excel. So we'll be testing this one and so ever. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. My name is CG Richie 60. Welcome 60 Graphics. This is your place for learning access coding.